How old do your cells think you are? 8 out of 10 people are accelerating their own aging. If your face feels tired, your energy fades, and irritation comes easily, it has already begun. But here's the good news. By changing just 3 daily habits, you can rewind your cellular clock by 10 years. Let's discover how. The speed of aging depends more on habits than on genes. Each repeated action can either accelerate or slow your biological clock. Here are the 3 key habits for slow aging. First, get morning sunlight. Spend 10 minutes in natural light within 30 minutes after waking. This balances your circadian rhythm and regulates melatonin. Harvard Medical School found that people who received morning sunlight had 15% lower inflammation linked to aging. Second, walk for 10 minutes after meals. Instead of sitting right away, take a light walk. It stabilizes blood sugar and reduces insulin resistance. A University of Tokyo study showed that post-meal walkers had 30% lower activation of aging genes. Walking tells your body to recover. Third, write a gratitude journal. Before bed, write down 3 things you're thankful for today. This small act lowers cortisol and boosts immune cell activity. Mayo Clinic found that people who kept gratitude journals had over 20% higher immune response. One line of gratitude can make your cells younger. WHO, Harvard, and Tokyo University all agree. Slow aging is not a drug, it's rhythm. Those who look younger live by consistent daily rhythms. Morning light to awaken, walking after meals, gratitude before sleep. That rhythm rewinds your body's clock naturally. You'll feel the difference in one day, energy in a week, and renewal in a month. After a year, your reflection will surprise you. Summary: slow aging is shaped by habits, not genes. Morning light, walking, and gratitude journaling are the keys. A steady rhythm restores cellular youth. Start today. Your health is your family's happiness.